Welcome back. Let's get you more updates now. The Health Ministry has now announced that 6 new districts have now come under orange zone, which means that the districts have no new cases in the last 14 days. Additionally, 3 more districts have been declared to be in the green zone, which means that no new cases have been reported in the last 28 days from these areas. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman for further updates on this. Ayushman, this is of course some positive news coming in at this point, with at least 6 new districts coming in the orange zone and 3 coming in the green zone. Tell us what this means and what is the further assessment by the Health Ministry based on these outcomes.
Well, Apurva, first of all, the good news is in last 24 hours, we have seen over 700 people getting cured, and that takes India's recovery rate now post 17%, and it was yesterday till yesterday it was 16%, Apurva, and today the recovery rate as compared to the people who are found to be positive in India is 17.48%. Currently in India, we have 18,601 people who have been found positive, and in this we have 3,252 people recovering. Now the Health Ministry has specifically started focusing on the recovery rate because we have seen a steady rise in the number of people recovering because of the COVID-19, and we have seen dedicated facilities all across the country getting these services started.
Okay.
And currently, we are told, Apurva, by the Health Ministry that we have 6 districts where for the past 14 days there has been no case. Now, Apurva, if a red zone starts reporting no case for 14 days, it becomes a orange zone, and if it does not report any case for 28 days, it becomes a green zone. So we have Pali in Rajasthan, we have Jamnagar and Morbi in Gujarat, we have North Goa in where we have seen that there are no cases, and they have now become green zone, orange zone, and currently in Kodagu and Pauri Garhwal and also Mahe in Puducherry. These are the 3 districts where no case has been registered in past 28 days. These are the new places which are now in green zone. Basically, this clearly means that recovery rate in these areas has been good and no new infection has been found. We have also seen, Apurva, Goa and Manipur in Northeast, they have declared, and also Goa here is the coastal state, they have declared that there is no new case, and they are primarily now, for the time being, it has been announced that they are COVID-free states in India right now.
All right. Also, Ayushman, while the recovery rate has gone up and we are looking at the numbers that you just provided to us, also tell us about the testing capabilities at this point. There are, of course, a lot of emphasis being put on a lot of testing that is taking place. What is the status of testing in terms of the states receiving the kits and upping their testing capabilities at this point?
Well, Apurva, first of all, the testing capabilities have been improved because we are now seeing the ambit of ICMR getting increased in terms of capability of testing all across the states. We have been told that about 140 testing labs of the Indian government is functioning right now. Also, more than many private labs have also been given permission. And currently, we also know that CISR is also somewhere involved in the entire operation. Now, if you talk about the rapid action kits, which primarily is in question, the National Institute of Malaria Research, the kits were sent, and it has been said that almost every state has been given. Now, when the testing will start, that remains a question that has to be taken. The decision has to be taken at the state level. But we have seen in the national capital yesterday, the rapid testing has started. We have seen in Andhra Pradesh that has started, and several other states have also started. Now, why it is not starting in Mumbai, why it is not starting in other places, that remains to be a question. But from center side, the rapid action kits have been dispersed to the states, and it is now the onus on the states to start the rapid testing in those containment zones and hotspots.
All right, Ayushman, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those key updates. Meanwhile,